Hey guys, welcome back to Paul DaFox. I just pulled up to my buddy's place. He's selling this beautiful notch right behind me, so let's have a peek at it. I'm a sucker for red cars, but overall the paint, trim, and quarter windows are in excellent condition. Only one little blemish on here, just a little scuff here on the molding. Easy little fix. Otherwise I wouldn't touch nothing whatsoever. Show you some of the trim and molding. It's just excellent, man. The quarter windows are in excellent condition. Nothing needs to be done as far as trim or molding on the car. And just to round out the exterior, you got the 17-inch chrome ponies, and the car's also been 5 lug swapped already, so that's done. As far as mods on the car, there's a ton of mods already done. You know, heads, cam, intake, V1 supercharger. I know there's a brand new clutch put in, trannies rebuilt. You got your full exhaust system front to back, long tube headers, Flowmaster mufflers. There's a ton of mods. I can't cover them all. So if you want more information on it, obviously get a hold of Jimmy, and he can go over everything that's listed on the car. Otherwise, you got a pretty clean notch back here that is turnkey, ready to go. All right guys, so that's my buddy's notch. If you're interested in it, I'll put all his contact info in the description below. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Help me grow the channel, subscribe to it. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and we'll see you again.